So first of all, we're going to award the art prize, and that goes to Spela Petri.
Thank you, jury, and thank you, Kibla, for this wonderful award. But I'd just like to say that this project is actually a result of a collaboration, which I have to emphasize, that without their commitment and support, all the energy, all the productive capacity, and investment into the research of vegetal principles in human society, this would not be possible. So I would like to thank plants for their 500 years of support, for their project, The Human Species, and for also giving us some insight into what it means to be this human in this post-capitalist interregnum that is the human plant. So, thank you.
Very good. So big congratulations there, and I just wanted to say that to see this piece of work, which is still this time till the end of November, you do need to go to the Kibla in the centre of town. It's a very special installation, so do go and visit and spend some time there. And it really, really stood out, and there was no question that this piece, we looked at always round, the jury felt very clear that this was the winner for the competition. So now, so for the education prize, I'd like to announce that it is Zavod 404, Institute 404, yeah?
So thank you very much, Kibla and the jury. I would just like to say it's the same here at us. It's the collaboration. So we have like this really big team of enthusiastic young people trying to pass the knowledge of technology and all the contemporary new media to the young ones. So we will have generations creating and researching, similar to Spela Petric. All the congrats. Thank you so much. Petra, would you like to say something?
Yes, well, I would just like to share the idea about Institute 404 for those who don't know us and don't know the idea about the Institute. So you know the error 404, what stands for not found on the internet. So our idea was, if something is not found, well, it does not exist, let's create it. So Thank you so much for the award.
So congratulations there, very big congratulations to both of the winners. And thank you for the explanation then. I think that was very well said from both winners, and I'm sure actually clarifies completely why the educational prize happened as well. So good. So now we have some champagne to share with you all, which has been poured at this moment, and so we can do cheers to the winners. And give them congratulations. But I know I'm repeating myself, but do also take this opportunity to go and see some of the works that have been announced. In fact, one is right here, one of the performance pieces around this corner. They're scattered throughout, but you will find them. So, and if you don't find them, come and ask one of the staff. We'll absolutely, definitely take you to the pieces. So, and we look forward to the next prize in the future. So thank you to Keebler and all the hard work that everybody did here. And we were very well looked after as a jury and very well prepared as well. So thank you.